I just took the TOEFL iBT mock test as an English teacher, and here is my honest breakdown. So I did all sections in less than 2 hours. That's good news. So first, reading section. I was worried about the reading section that it will be draining, but it actually went by so quickly. The length is manageable and it doesn't exhaust you. The listening section is just as practical. It uses real-life campus scenarios and university settings that students will actually encounter. As for writing section, this is where it really clicked. There are 3 distinct tasks: completing sentences, which was really fun, writing an email and an academic discussion forum. That last one, the discussion forum, is brilliant. It directly mirrors the academic life students will face at university. And for the speaking section, the time limit for me still feels nerve-wracking, but here's the upside. You are recording yourself, not facing a human examiner, so it's far less intimidating, though you definitely need to prepare for that time pressure. So the verdict, TOEFL iBT is one of the strongest players in the assessment world. It doesn't just test your English, it respects what you actually need to succeed in a global academic environment. I'm recommending it to my students, and my institution, lbifib.ui, is also opening TOEFL iBT preparation courses. And we're confident about that because we have the official resources from the ETS website, and we are ready to support the journey.